Welcome to this lightning talk on WebXR. My name is Ram. I am contributing to Mozilla since last 6 years. I'm a Mozilla tech speaker. I love to talk about the future technologies, and here's the topic, future of building the future. I started working on virtual reality with A-Frame. A-Frame is one JS library which was introduced by Mozilla, and this is built with the help of the WebVR APIs, the web standards for bringing the virtual reality content to the web. Apart from A-Frame, there was also React VR and 3JS. These are all the cool things which made WebVR really popular and people using it. So as a web developer, I was very happy with all these things. But on the other side, there was a lot of things going on in terms of augmented reality and the mixed reality. So if you look at the spectrum for we have the digital reality, which is towards the virtual reality, but there is also a big spectrum of augmented reality and mixed reality. And what people like more is, when we have a mix of them, and then, like only the virtual reality was not cool enough, like, for me as developing. So for virtual reality, for web developers, we had a lot of things which I was just referring to. But for mixed reality and for augmented reality, it was like not much of things were there for the web developers. Then the WebVR the WebVR community group which came up with the WebVR APIs got converted to Immersive Web Community Group. And the WebVR 2 APIs which were to be announced were converted to WebXR device APIs. So what does that mean? That now the whole spectrum of virtual reality, mixed reality, and augmented reality, web developers can do all of it. So I was really happy with that. So let's talk about how the WebXR APIs, the device API works. So first of all, it looks for the available device which you have. Then it checks for the capability of the devices, what all it can do. This will look for the user's position and the orientation. And then finally stream the video in like good FPS if whatever that can be. So Immersive Web at W3C is the place on GitHub where you can go and check out things about the proposed APIs and also the polyfills, references, and all these things. You can go and check it out there. Just a couple of points. The WebVR APIs are being converted to WebXR APIs, but they will not be backward compatible, and this is not really important for you to if you have some WebVR content to port it to WebXR right away. So this is just a look of how this will look like. In WebVR, this was like navigator.web.get.vr displays, but in WebXR is going to be navigator.xr.require devices. But I will not get into the WebXR specs more because more likely we are going to use these libraries which are written on top of it. So first one I would like to mention is Mozilla's 3XRJS. This library is written on top of 3JS, but this is using the latest WebXR device APIs. Apart from this, Mozilla also have Mozilla A-Frame XR repo on GitHub. So this is using the A-Frame, but specially designed for the WebXR. Google also have 3.ar.js, but this is not using the latest WebXR APIs as of now. They're using the WebVR APIs. There is also Chase Labs A-Frame AR. So these are just a few of the kind of popular libraries available as of today if you want to play around with working on these WebXR. With one disclaimer that these are just the experimental things. As you work on them, they might change, and there could be lots of improvements in the WebXR APIs which are coming there. So the spectrum for virtual reality and like the mixed reality is expanding a lot. Here are a few of the updates. Like Supermedium was first major browser which was announced. This was made by a few people who worked with Mozilla to build A-Frame. So this is backed by Y Combinator, and this has been a great success. Mozilla also announced Firefox Reality, and this is another fully virtual reality browser. Then we have Within, which is a distribution network for the VR content, and the Leap one is also using web technologies now. So the point I want to make here is that for the web developers, like the spectrum is evolving a lot, and like there is a lot of things to look forward is future of building the future, which is the future for WebXR on the web. Mozilla also announced this project called Mixed Reality, and the Firefox Reality project was, the browser was launched as part of that. I'm going to take a workshop on the Firefox Reality at 11 o'clock in Honolulu, so you're most welcome to join. Yeah, you can check out mixedreality.mozilla.org, and that's all from my side. You can follow Mozilla Reality on Twitter, and you can also follow my Twitter handle. I keep on posting things like as and when I hear about more things or like the more updates coming from the mixed reality world, and I'm really looking forward for the future of mixed reality on the web. Thank you.